Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faris Izzat bin Bahari. My nomometry is 10DE23F1022.
My name is Muhammad Iman bin Gamal Azwan. My nomometry is 10DE23F1024. Today we want to explain 10 step and 5 precaution about how to washing ceiling fan.
Here a step-by-step guide to a washing ceiling fan. Okay, first step. The fan should be turned off and the power supply is disconnected. Let's go. This ensures safety while cleaning the fan. Second step, a drop, cloth or sheet is laid under the fan. This will catch any dust or debris that falls during the cleaning process. Okay, third step, the blade should be dusted first. A microfiber cloth or duster is used to remove loose, dirty and dust from each blade. Step 4. A cleaning solution is prepared. A matte detergent is mixed with water in a spray bottle to create a gentle cleaning solution. Okay, step 5. A cleaning solution is sprayed onto a cloth. The cloth is then used to wipe each blade starting from the center and moving upward.
Step 6. The motor and housing should be wiped down. A damp cloth is carefully to clean the motor and surrounding areas, avoiding excess moisture. Step 7. The blade may be removed for deep cleaning. If necessary, the blade unscrew and soak in soapy water before being wiped down. Step 8. Clean the outer cover. Use a damp cloth or wipe down the fan outer cover, ensuring it's clean. The blades are dried and buffered. A dry cloth is used to remove any remaining moisture and buff the blade to prevent slip. The last step, the fan is reassembled and tested. Once all is reassembled and the power is turned back on to ensure everything is working correctly. Here are 5 precautions to take when washing a ceiling fan. First step, turn off the power supply to make sure current didn't flow. Ensure the ceiling fan is switched off and the power supply is disconnected at the breaker box to prevent accidental electric shock. Step 2. Use a stabilizer or step stool to avoid falling down. Use a sturdy ladder or step stool to reach the fan. Make sure it is placed on a flat, stable surface to avoid falls or injuries. Avoid excess moisture to ensure safety. Do not allow water or cleaning solution to drip into the motor or electrical component. Use a damp cloth rather than a soaked one to clean the blades and motor housing.
Okay, step 4. Wear protective gear to avoid the entry of dust. Consider wearing gloves and a dust mask to protect your hand and respiratory system from dust, debris, or cleaning chemical. Okay, step 5. Handle blade gently to avoid damage. Do not apply too much pressure when cleaning the blades, as they can bend or become unbalanced, affecting the fan's performance and stability. Okay, that's all for me and Aiman to 10 step and 5 precaution how to washing a ceiling fan. Okay, thank you, bye.
Bye bye.